Sunshine, welcome back with Miss Ray in the science subject, students. Okay, for today, we just play game. Okay, today is Wednesday, 3rd March 2021. Okay, like Miss Ray said just now, today we will play game about weather. Ya, jadi anak-anak Miss boleh baca topik tentang cuaca. You can read, okay, the weather topic. Okay, because we will play game about weather in Zoom. It means Miss Ray will share the link of the game tomorrow in the Zoom and then after Zoom. Because later if Miss Ray share now, you can do and then you can get 100. So later ya kids, in Zoom Miss Ray will play the game and then after that Miss Ray will share the link so you can play by yourself. Okay, don't forget to study about weather. Thank you students. See you. Bye-bye.